In the beginning, I have a lot of work in progress, um, shared art, but then later on, I think it was around day 40 or 50 when I was like, let me challenge myself a little further and put a completed artwork every single day. Because it's easy to hide behind a work in progress. Like, I can spend a whole year working a work in progress. Is that really moving me for a word? Like, no. So it's kind of like, all right, let me listen to my own bullshit and excuses. And I'm sorry, I just curse on your podcast. I don't know if that's okay. But how dare I, right? Yeah. Anyway, so yeah, like you become aware of your own excuses. Like, honest to God, I there were days when I'm like, oh, I did the work in progress today, but then when it's repeated for like 3 or 4 days, I was like, wait a second, I'm hiding behind something in here, and that's not what I committed to. I committed to progress. I said it doesn't have to be perfect, but let me challenge myself and do one finished art piece every day. Again, it does not have to be perfect. It doesn't have to be a masterpiece. I have so many days in between when I'm like tired or I had a full day of work or life happens in everybody's days. I have a lot of like symmetry work or like an abstract work in between, and they're completed, but they're not work in progress. I'm not hiding behind the work in progress umbrella.